Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Yana. So before anything else, let me ask you a question. Do you like Korean movies? Raise your hand. If you do, you could leave your answer on my description box. No, you could leave your answer on the comment box section. And another question is, since if you love Koreans, probably you also love their skincare, right? Because as you can see, they have a very flawless, glassy kind of look skin. So I bet they have a good skincare, right? Or maybe it's just the way they are born or the way Korean skin looks. But anyways, whatever it is, if you fancy Korean skincare, then I have something to share. So this video in general is unboxing, and it is Korean brand. I know it's very exciting if you love Koreans and if you love their skincare brand. So yes, without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, back to the beautiful box right here. Let me open it in front of you. See, oh, I really love this. If this is a subscription box, oh, I would be very excited. You know what? First thing that I would be happy receiving is makeup. Second is skincare. And third is like clothing or accessories or whatever girly stuffs. Anyway, so this is the card that would welcome you when you receive the box if you're part of the community. So like I said earlier, I am part of Althea's Angel ambassador community. That's why I received this welcome gift. It says here, "Hello Angel, welcome to the Althea Angel's Beauty Ambassador community, a heaven for inspiring and talented beauty reviewers to together have fun and talk about all things K-beauty, period." It's a long letter, but I'm just gonna make it short. Anyway, so I'm just so excited because they've sent quite a lot. Like, Anyway, the first item I've got is this mirror here. So this is the mirror in the box. Showing it to you. Oh, so this is the mirror here. It's color white. I love it, and it says here, "Spread your wings, Althea Angel." Oh. And I just love it, even though it's white. But the rest of the items that I've got are color pink. Isn't that pretty? It looks so girly. So let's head straight to the main product that they are selling in the website. So again, I'm gonna leave their link on my description box so you could visit them. So the first item that I received is this one right here, and it says PETAL Velvet Powder. So they've sent 3 kinds of powder, and the first one I've got is this one, PETAL Velvet Powder, and the color is pink. The powder is pink. This is the container. It looks so pretty. If I finish this PETAL pink powder, I could refill it, because I think you could pull the lid here and then refill. And look at that, the sponge. This is a sponge. That it's so cute. So this retails for $5. I guess that's called cushion, right? Okay, next item, or you know it already, it's powder, but let me show it to you. This second one that I've got is PETAL Velvet Powder. That's the label, and it's Korean. It's so pretty. I like pink. It's baby pink. Let me open it. I don't want to destroy the carton, so I'm using this. And this is color white powder. The same price, $5, and it has cushion. It's all the same. So pretty. I love it so much. So this is the second item that I received. So that's $5. And the third powder that they've sent me is this one right here. Let me open it, because I don't want to destroy the box, so I'm using a whatever. And this is like a beige, sun beige color, or yellow brown. I think this shade or this powder fits my skin tone. I'm not sure if they place a number 23 here. Oh, warm beige. Okay, so the second one that I've shown you that was translucent, and the third one that is the shade is warm beige. So I guess this is my skin color, skin tone, number 23. It's still the same. Let me get all of the products together, and so you could see the three of them in one video. These are the three powders that I received, and I have noticed that one lid is like purple, a little bit of purple pink, while the two are really like baby pink, super baby pink. You could really tell that it's pink, but this one it's like a bit of purple. It's so cute. They look so cute all together. I like the packaging. I hope that the powder works well. I want more. So what else? Let's proceed. We have Petal Velvet Sunway. So this is how Petal Velvet Sunway looks like. Basically this is a SPF lotion. It's low moisture filled sebum control, so probably a lotion, sunscreen lotion. And let me check. This is $10 worth. So let me open the box. And $10, and this is the product here. It has a baby pink and a white on the container, and it says here, shake well before usage. Most of the texts are Korean, so but if you're buying things or stuffs, if you're buying skincare, I guess you have to read the reviews, and if the reviews are good, you could try it. But probably there are many cases that these things work to this person, but it doesn't work on your skin because we have different skin types. So it's like skincare, taking care of your skin is like trial and error. So yeah, this is $10, and I'm gonna try it. What interests me is that it says here moisture filled sebum control. As my skin is really acting super weird. I have a lot of breakouts, so when it says sebum control, it's just interesting because yeah, as much as possible I'm trying to lessen the oil onto my skin. I hope this will not block my pores. So that's the fourth item we've got, excluding the mirror. So the last, yeah, so if we will include the mirror though, then we all already introduced how many products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will proceed to the sixth item that they sent, and that is Milk Peel Cream Mask. Who loves mask here? Like, what kind of mask do you like? Do you like the clay mask or the sheet? So you could leave your answer on the comment box section. So this is if you like a sheet mask, then sadly this is not a sheet mask. This is a cream mask with AHA, BHA, triplex exfoliating creamy milk bubble soft peeling mask. And what I like about this one is that it says it's dermatologist tested. So I'm gonna open it for you and show you the container. This one right here, and most of the texts are Koreans. So this retails for $8. Now let's proceed to the last item that I received, which, and if you're gonna travel and bring all of the stuffs that they've sent you, then you don't need to wonder where to find a bag because they've included a pouch. And you know what I like about this pouch is it's so girly. It's pink, and the quality is amazing, fantastic. It doesn't feel cheap and it doesn't look cheap. And then there is a compartment, like a zipper here. And the good thing about it is you could also stretch it all the way until it's filled in, until it's full. So you could put a lot on this one. And then it's the net at the back, so you could see what are the things inside this bag. So pretty amazing, right? So yeah, I guess that's all I've got from Althea. And I'm just so overwhelmed about being a member in their community. Now all I can say is thank you, Althea Korea, for sending this skincare because I need it. I really need it, and this would really help me try if these products work on my skin, because if it does, I'm gonna purchase it myself. And aside from sending this pretty box right here with tons of skincare, they've also, as a welcome gift, they've also sent $30 like amount onto your account in Althea Korea website, and then you could choose items from there, whether it could be makeup or another skincare that is worth $30, and yeah, they will send it to you. But I'm still waiting for my 2 items that I have purchased from the website. Anyways, that's it, guys. I am so glad that I am part of Althea community, as I want to review and try Korean brands. I believe that Korean brand suits my skin, as I am Asian. I am Asian, and it's just the formula suits for Asian skin, as it is made in Korea. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I do, and see you on my next post, guys. I love you. Bye.